That's what be happening before the car shuts off. Anti-lock come on. The door open, but the door is closed. Airbag. The traction doesn't even work. See, when I hit the button, it stays on. And every time it does this, the car shuts off. Right before it does this. Even when I'm driving, I could be driving to see the trip thing just changed, the miles. And I try and switch it. It's not switching. Even when I'm driving, if I'm driving down the street, it does the same thing. Like in the middle of driving, once these lights come on, I gotta pull over because I know it's about to shut off. Wow, the trip thing messed up too. I'm gonna shut it off and try and shut it back on, see what happens. Radio's on, everything. Radio's on.